Welcome to Colossal Earthmovers Unleashed. Today we witness the ultimate mining warrior, the Caterpillar 6015B Excavator, a symbol of power, precision, and engineering mastery. Watch as this colossal machine loads massive dump trucks with unstoppable force. From the roar of its engine to the swing of its giant arm, everything about the 6015B screams destructive power and unmatched performance. Let's dive deep into what makes this beast one of the most respected machines in modern mining. The CAT 6015B Hydraulic Excavator is built for one purpose: to move mountains. Powered by a CAT C27 ACERT engine, it delivers 813 horsepower, giving it the strength to tear through rock and load up to 100-ton dump trucks with ease. With a bucket capacity of nearly 15 cubic meters, every scoop lifts tons of material in seconds. Its structure, made from high-strength steel, ensures stability, durability, and confidence in the harshest mining environments. Operators love the 6015B for its fast cycle times, smooth hydraulics, and superior visibility. Every control is designed for comfort, accuracy, and safety. Because in mining, precision means profit. In full operation, the CAT 6015B can move over 4,000 tons of material per hour, making it one of the most efficient excavators in its class. And with Caterpillar's latest fuel-saving and emission reduction technology, it delivers all this power with greater efficiency and lower environmental impact. The CAT 6015B isn't just a machine. It's a masterpiece of human engineering. It represents the harmony between man and machine, where every movement is guided by human skill and mechanical intelligence. Mining is not just about digging, it's about progress, precision, and the relentless pursuit of innovation. Machines like the 6015B make it possible to build our cities, our industries, and our future. and that's the Caterpillar 6015B Excavator, the ultimate mining warrior with truly destructive power. Each scoop tells a story of strength, endurance, and engineering excellence. If you loved watching this mining monster in action, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible videos of giant earth movers and heavy construction power. Until next time, stay strong, stay inspired, and keep your engines roaring.